Piece of dirt.
I gotta get that color code off them.
Insane, eh?
I like it. I don't know what it looked like on the Mustang.
It's almost like a seafoam blue or something.
On this car, it looks really nice.
Yeah.
So I'm talking to these guys over at C-Caps there, or whatever, C-Max. I'm trying to understand this. What is that stuff you're using? That's almost like urethane, man. You just, that just, come on, really? That stuff don't work.
What?
Yeah, you know what it
Paint
is.
guys really
Yeah.
saying that? That's
Yeah.
insane.
I don't think he liked it. He says, well, you know what I mean, you're taking work from us, you know?
Yeah, well, that's why. So they probably shit talk the whole product. And,
Yeah.
oh, that's garbage. You need
Yeah,
paint.
yeah, he says, guy does a good paint job, put lots of clear, it'll stop. I said, oh, come on, really? Really? It's going to stop stone chips? I said, this stuff's self-heals. It means self-heals.
Yeah, what do you mean self-heals? Yeah, does your paint do that?
He said, how long does it last? He said, it's going to last 10 years. I said, you got to see my Shelby. It's almost 5 years older now, and it looks like the day I bought it.
Yep. That's right.